Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given 10 plus 5 is equals to 60, 20 plus 5 is equals to 100, 30 plus 5 is equals to 140. So from this pattern, 40 plus 5 is what? So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment your comment what number you find and watch my solution in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and activate the notification bell here on the channel because we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So now let's take a good look to the resolution of this logical sequence. 10 plus 5 is 60, but in actual 10 plus 5 is 15. Now from 15 to 60, how can we reach? By multiplying by 4. Now let's check. 20 plus 5 is 25 and 25 times 4 is 100. It works here also. 30 plus 5 is 35. Now we have to multiply by 4. 35 times 4 is 140. Great. Now 40 plus 5 is 45 and 45 times 4 is 180. So what replaces the question mark? 180. So comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.